Hello, I will give a short demonstration on how to use the Tetra OptiMotion workflow. We start off by opening the OptiMotion workflow folder, and we'll see it contains the subfolders which contain the files and tools that we need to use the Tetra OptiMotion workflow. It also contains a PowerPoint slideshow and a README file. This README file contains the basic steps that I'll be showing you in this short demonstration. Now we open the slideshow and then we'll see the general workflow, and it contains 3 basic steps. At the bottom you will get an information button which will lead you to the README file which was shown before, and then you can go back to the main menu with the same button. If you want to go into detail in one of these steps, just click on them, and then we'll see that for this example system definition, the system definition has been subdivided into smaller steps as well. Each step has some more information and also a document folder leading you to the corresponding folder. So for this example, I'll be clicking on motion profile optimization, and this button will lead me to the folder containing all files corresponding to motion profile optimization. Most folders will have a guide as well. So if we open this guide, we'll get some more information about the files which are inside that folder. So you see we have 3 folders here, and each folder has a short explanation on what we can find in these folders. Okay, some topics will have a corresponding workshop. So for motion profile optimization, we had a workshop about basics, optimization basics, and also about motion profile optimization. And here we have a shortcut leading to the folder from that workshop. So if we have a look in here, we can see we have a guide as well. So first off, we have a look inside this guide. Then we'll get the videos of that workshop, so the recordings with the corresponding YouTube links, and then a short explanation about the tools which were used on that workshop. Okay, so this was a fast demonstration on how to use the workflow. I hope you will be able to use it to optimize your machinery. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us.